This is the technology plan for NSU Middle Lab. This is the technology plan for NSU Middle Lab. The vision of NSU Middle Lab is for students, teachers, parents, and the community to function as a family and to become lifelong learners prepared for demands of a rapidly evolving world. NSUM is committed to enhancing education through the latest technology to assure that our students can make positive contributions to society. One of our goals is that students be given the opportunity to develop the technological skills that are necessary for them to become these real-world learners prepared to make lifelong contributions. It is also the goal of NSU Middle Lab that our teachers use technology-enriched lessons to advance student engagement and learning. The current status of technology at NSU Middle Lab is that each teacher has a desktop computer in their classroom in order to take attendance and record grades. They also have smartboards available for the facilitation of their lessons. Students can use the smartboard, and they also have access to computer labs located on campus. The administration is required to keep all student records using the J-Campus software. This includes attendance, grades, personal information, behavior referrals, as well as past testing records. There are three focus areas in our planning. The first is integration of technology in the organization. This means that NSU Middle Lab teachers will use technology-enriched lessons in order to empower all students regardless of their backgrounds and abilities. Another area of focus is professional development. The teachers at NSU Middle Lab will attend professional development to ensure that they are knowledgeable in the standards necessary to enhance student learning through technology use. Also, we have an area of community engagement. Natchitoches Parish School Board has established a parent center for parents to access their child's grades, and they may also receive automated calls when their child receives a failing grade. Teachers communicate with parents with weekly objectives for students in their daily agendas, and they may also use Remind 101 and group emails. At NSUM, the responsibility of the principal is to head the committee made up of himself and the school improvement team, as well as members of our parent action committee. This group will make decisions regarding the areas of technological advances based on a specific criterion. Teachers' responsibility will be to attend the professional development that is related to technology and use the technology in their classrooms. The student responsibility is actually to follow the computer access and use policy anytime they're using technology in the school. In the 2012-2013 school year at NSU Middle Lab, it was established that all students would pay a $100 technology fee along with their tuition, and this money was to be used solely for technology purposes. To get other funding for technology, a parent action committee was formed, and they will host numerous fundraisers, and these fundraisers will allow some of the proceeds to go to the technology fund. NSUM does not have a complete budget yet. It's not been established, but that is something they plan on working on this summer with the school improvement team. The evaluation is made up of several parts. First, you have the evaluation questions. A technology survey will be given to students, to teachers, and to parents each year. These surveys will include questioning about technology access, usage, disadvantages, and advantages. The indicators of success will actually be the student scores on the PARC test, the iLeap and the LEAP exam, as well as benchmark exams. And surveys will include technology data. Our information sources will generally come from classroom observations made by the principal. Another source would be the technology proficiency self-assessment that teachers will be asked to take at the end of the year. The NSU action plan will be determined by the administration based on data and depending on funding. It has been mentioned that it will include a handheld device for each student, and each device will be loaded with current textbooks. Other areas of consideration will be discussed and decided on by the NSUM Technology Committee. The 5-year action plan has not yet been determined, but the school is hoping to get that done this summer.